Mister ShowYaHow, Mister ShowYaHow. If you want to know, then you've got to go to Mister ShowYaHow, Mister ShowYaHow. That's me. Hi, and welcome to Mister ShowYaHow. I'm Mister ShowYaHow, and today I want to show you something really important. Okay, so everybody should really try to do this every day. If you don't do it, you're gonna starve, and you could die. And that's not good. I don't want anybody to die. So today I want to teach you how to eat food. Okay, and so if you're gonna eat food, the first thing you need a plate to eat food, and you're gonna also need to have a fork, a knife, and a spoon. And you need to have your food, and then and you don't need a spoon today. So first thing you need to do is prepare your food. So grasp it by the handle and pull back. Okay. And turn it upside down. Sometimes it doesn't come out. So get your knife. Yeah. And so you use your knife to cut, and you could use your knife to eat it like that, but mostly you're going to use your knife to cut, and you use your fork to spear. Today we're going to learn how to use, but today you're going to cut with a knife. You stick it with a fork, and you cut off in slices so that they're easier to eat, like that. And if you eat every day, then you're not going to starve. And starving's not fun. Who wants to starve? No one wants to starve. So, and you don't have to cut it in equal pieces. You can cut them in different pieces. And then once you cut them once, you don't have to stop. You can cut them. You can cut them in smaller pieces, if you want. Okay. And so you take your fork, you stick it in the food, okay? And then you bring it close to your mouth. Okay? And don't go too fast, and don't go too slow. You won't get it in your mouth that way. And you want it to go in your mouth, because you can't eat with your nose or any other orifices on your body. It's just your mouth is how you got to do it, okay? So then you go nice, even in your mouth, and don't swallow your Coke, just chew, and don't bite your tongue, just bite the food. And then when you got the food in the small enough bites, you just finish eating, and you swallow when it's small enough, and just keep eating, okay? So bon appetit.